So hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to insert a node in the beginning of a linked list. So we need to perform an insert operation at the beginning of a linked list. So let us take an example. For example, we have this linked list with 3 nodes in it, 20, 30 and 40. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to insert a new node with value 10 at the beginning of this linked list. Okay, so how we will perform that, and what will be the function for it. So first of all, let's see. So in order to insert a new node at the beginning of a linked list, what we need to do is we need to create a new node. So okay, let me change the ink. So what we need to do is we need to initially create a new node. For example, our new node is 10. Our new node is with the value 10. So I have created a new node, and what we need to do is now we need to change the pointer, the next pointer of this node pointing towards the head node of the. So because we know that in our given linked list the head node is this, so we want that the next of our new node should point to the head node, and then what we will do is we will return our this node. So we will take name this node as something like temp. So what we will do it at last is we will simply return something called as temp, because whenever we have to return a linked list, we only return the head node. So let's see how can we write the function for this thing. So let's just consider that we have this function insert at begin. Okay, so we have this function insert at begin, and that the parameters are node head. We are given the head node, and we are given the value that needs to be inserted in the new node that we will create. Okay, so initially as I told you, we need to create a new node. For that what we will do is we will create a temp node, and we will create a new node basically with the value that we have, which is x. So once our new node is created, what is the next thing that we need to do? We have to change the pointer of the next node of the new node. So temp next will be equals to head. This means that we have created this pointer. So once this pointer is also created, finally at the last what we will do is we will simply return our temp node, which means that we have returned our head. So this is the insertion at the beginning of a linked list. Time complexity of this will simply be order of 1, because we are not traversing anything. We are just simply creating a node and inserting and changing the pointers. That's it. So this is a very simple implementation, and in the next video we are going to see some other operations like inserting at the end and deletion operations on linked list. Thank you.